Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to extend a song in Udio. So what we need to do is first thing we need to go to our library, which is located right here on the left side menu. You will see library, click on that. Now from here what you're going to do is basically select the song which you want to extend. So let's make this first one and let's go hover over with your mouse and you will see here remix style and extend. So if you want to extend it, just click extend button right over here and you will see here some options. So we can add intro before, add section before, add section after, and add outro after. Um, so if you click before or after, so before will place the generation at the start of your current clip. So you can basically add intro. This is preferred option, perfect to adding, and you can do after the outro. So yeah, this is pretty much what you can do here under the extension placement. You can also crop and extend. You can do that and you can manually adjust where you want to cut, crop, or extend. Also, what we can do is we can put here something new also. So let's make it and add some right here. So this is basically we can change the text also a little bit to adjust. And this is pretty much it. When you are done with that, just click on extend and the Udio will start to generate a new version of the song, basically the extended version of this song. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.